My organic chicken. Me feeding my organic chicken. This is a local breed. We're able to breed. This hen was able to hatch 10 chickens, 10 chicks rather, 10 chicks. That's the power of bonding. It's not afraid. I read the mother chicken from 5 weeks. I read it from 5 weeks. This is the second generation of chicks. No, not second. Well, it's the second that will survive. The first set of chicks, the set of chicks it will hatch, I lost everything due to inexperience. The second generation survived. Out of about 14, I was able to, successfully, with the help of God, raise 8. And that one there by the yellow plastic is the second generation by this same mother hen. That's the second generation. The chicks here now are the third generation, 11 of them. 11 of them. The roaster down there is my first successful breed of organic chickens. Successfully bred. I was able to breed 5 of them. I lost one to. Yes, sir. I lost one due to carelessness. 4 roosters and 1 hen. The hen presently is also hatching. That's my first set of successful chicken that I would breed. 4 roosters and 1 hen. The hen presently started hatching today, and I just take it to where it is hatching. That's it there. That's it there. It started hatching today. I think out of 12, 14 eggs, it has hatched. Out of actually 14 eggs, it has hatched 6 as at the last count. It actually laid 12 eggs of its own. I got 2 from another chicken and included it with the ones it laid. So that makes 14. But in actual sense, she actually laid 12. I added 2 from another chicken, 2 from the previous mother hen I just showed you. She didn't hatch those 2, so I took those 2 that she didn't hatch and joined it with the one with the 12 she laid. So as it is, she sat on 14 eggs, and out of the 14, as at the last time I counted, 6 had hatched. It started hatching today, and from the look of things, we are going to have a mixed breed, because in actual sense, I think it was crossed by as many as 6 different roosters at different times. So I expect that it will hatch mixed breed of chicks.